Sometimes we just need to step away from the routine, spend a little time in outdoor activities, enjoy a little getaway, and make memories with friends and family over a relaxing stay. जिंदगी को खूबसूरत बनाने का एक छोटा सा सफर. Life becomes truly beautiful when we pause the routine and spend quality time with our loved ones. Whether it's a relaxing holiday stay, a cozy picnic, or a spontaneous day out, even a drive together can do. What matters most is the joy of spending time with family. Life doesn't always need a grand plans. These are small things that makes life more beautiful. कभी-कभी जिंदगी में रोजमर्रा की भागदौड़ से दूर निकलना जरूरी होता है. जिंदगी सिर्फ रूटीन तक सीमित नहीं है. कभी बाहर निकलकर अपने परिवार के साथ पल बिता कर देखिए, सुकून मिल जाएगा. कभी-कभी सबसे अच्छी थेरेपी होती है घर से बाहर जाना, खुली हवा में सांस लेना. है ना? Welcome to our channel Family Munch. Welcome once again to our channel Family Munch. उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब ठीक हैं. Today we are sharing yet another journey. We are here at Hotel Staybridge. A little break, enjoying family time, a cozy stay, good vibes, and making life beautiful with family. For the first time, we are staying on G level at Hotel Staybridge. It's super convenient, right near the lobby and all the amenities. We can just step out, explore, easy access, and enjoy the stay without waiting for the elevators. जैसे ही दरवाजा खोला, राइट हैंड साइड में एक छोटा सा फुल्ली इक्विप्ड किचन है, जहाँ सारी जरूरत की चीजें नजर आ रही है. किचन भी इतनी क्यूट है. यू कैन सी दिस विंडो हियर. इजी एक्सेस ना. When you step into a Staybridge hotel bedroom, the first thing you notice is the warm and welcoming ambience. From here, you can clearly see the road stretching out in front of our balcony. जैसे आपके अपने घर की छोटी सी बैल्कनी, जहाँ बैठकर आप बाहर की हलचल का मजा ले सकते हैं चाय के साथ. जैसे ही हमने सामान खोला और कपड़े निकालने लगे, गौरीश ने तुरंत अलमारी खोल ली और उसमें सेटिंग करने शुरू कर दिया. मैं बस बैठकर देख रही थी. It was just 5 p.m. So after keeping all our things in place and setting the room a bit, we decided to step out and make the most of the evening. The bed already claimed by Garv, with his rolling all over the bed with excitement. इन दोनों को देखकर मुझे बंदर और मगरमच्छ की कहानी याद आ गई, जो बहुत ही मशहूर है. एक बड़े तालाब के किनारे एक जामुन का पेड़ था. उस पेड़ पर एक चतुर बंदर रहता था. पेड़ मीठे मीठे जामुनों से भरा. बंदर रोज उन जामुनों को खाकर बहुत ही खुश हो जाता था. एक दिन वहाँ एक मगरमच्छ आया. बंदर से दोस्ती हो गई. बंदर ने दोस्ती के नाते उसे भी जामुन खिलाया. मगरमच्छ को जामुन बहुत अच्छे लगे और धीरे धीरे उनकी दोस्ती. Now back home, we took a nice shower, then we sat together for a dinner, and slowly the day came to an end. We wished each other good night and drifted into sleep. The next morning, we woke up fresh, ready to welcome a brand new day, full of energy, a new day, a new excitement, happy to make more memories together. Guess what? We are going for a complimentary breakfast. Nothing feels better than starting a fresh morning with a delicious spread waiting for us. From Staybridge, we head over to Holiday Inn for our complimentary breakfast. It was a little morning walk filled with excitement because complimentary breakfast is always fun. It feels like a little treat to start the day. The best part of the day indeed. As we entered the breakfast area, the atmosphere instantly felt lively yet cozy. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee, the clinking of cutlery created the cheerful background. The counters were neatly arranged with fruits, cereals, and hot dishes. The buffet counters were shining with variety. There was a sense of comfort. Perfect way to begin the day.
This is table number 56. And we will be having breakfast here.
When it comes to breakfast, eggs are always a hero, the highlight. For those who loves a little extra, there was even a live counter where the chef was busy flipping omelets with cheese, veggies and herbs, and each one made fresh on order. Sometimes we need to allow our kids to serve by their own. It may take time. It may get a little messy, but it gives them confidence and a sense of independence. It was not easy for Garv to put the pancake on his plate. Finally managed to place them neatly on his plate. These small moments help children to learn and grow, isn't it?
This whipped cream. This is honey. This is chocolate.
I want chocolate.
Okay, put it. Put it.
I cannot make my morning without kadak chai, no matter how grand the breakfast spread is. That one strong cup of tea completes everything for me. दिन की शुरुआत के लिए एक छोटा सा जादू। सुबह वाली चाय का मज़ा कुछ अलग ही है। कड़क, गर्म और ताजगी भरी चाय मेरे लिए सुबह को खास बना देती है। Chai is the anchor of my morning, telling me wake up. The strong flavor, the rising steam and the first sip feel like an energy switch. Suddenly everything feels lighter and brighter. No matter where I am, chai makes my morning curd up.
Good morning. राजू ऐसे
I can't leave the buffet counter without picking up a croissant. Croissants are my favorite. No matter how full I am, I always save a room for at least one, sometimes two. A warm and fresh croissant with my morning chai is truly my little moment of happiness. गर्व सीधे अपने फेवरेट कॉर्नर की तरफ दौड़ पड़ा। कॉर्नफ्लेक्स देखकर गर्व की आंखों की चमक साफ दिख रही थी। नाश्ता उसके लिए अब पूरा हो गया। गर्व happily enjoying his bowl of choco cornflakes as if this was the highlight of his breakfast. While Garv was lost in his cornflakes world, the rest of us were equally busy relishing our breakfast. It was one of those mornings where everything on the table felt perfect. खुश होकर गर्व बार बार शरारती शक्लें बना रहा है. How much he was enjoying the moment. After enjoying every bite and sip, we finally finished our breakfast. Ended our breakfast with a little bit of everything.
Thank you. Thank you. Nice breakfast.
My both kids enjoyed pancakes and cornflakes as well. Gaurish was completely fully satisfied with the variety. Staying at Stay Bridge, right opposite is Holiday Inn, where we enjoyed our complimentary breakfast. We walked back to Stay Bridge with happy stomachs and brighter mood. नाश्ते के बाद एक तरह की मस्ती और जल्दी जल्दी करने वाली भागदौड़ शुरू हो गई. The plan was clear. Back to the room, a quick change, and then off to the pool. Our plan was to enjoy every moment before the checkout. And yes, we did it.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Bye. We are going now. Checkout time. Life feels complete when we share with family. Whether it's on vacation, a meal, or just sitting together at home. It's a chapter of happiness added to the story of life. Thank you for watching us. Our small break from the routine. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment about your journey of stay. See you in our next video. Till then, stay fit, stay fine and enjoy the little moments of life. Take care. Bye. See ya.